Good morning. Today I want to talk with you about punctuation. Punctuation is how we make all of our words and sentences seem more organized to the reader, so they can understand that words are in groups and they can form an idea around those words. So most of the punctuation that we use in English is very similar to the way that it's used in Russian, but some of it can be a little bit different. So let's just take a look at some of those things. First, let's talk about periods. Periods come at the ends of sentences, and they come in abbreviations. But the really big thing that you need to remember is not that periods are really used any different in English than in other languages, but when you're making your periods, make sure you make them really clear, that you've got a clear dot, and that it doesn't stray and start to look like a comma or a semicolon or a hyphen. So you want to be really clear with the audience that's reading your writing, because that period's there to organize that information, and if they can't tell what that punctuation is, it's not really helping them to organize. So whether you have a command or whether you have an indirect question, you still want to make sure you put a period at the end of that. Other sentences, such as direct questions, are going to use question marks, or things that are said with a lot of excitement or passion are going to use exclamation points at the end, but whatever it is, make sure your end punctuation is clear on your sentence. You're also going to use periods with abbreviations such as doctor, PM or AM to indicate time, and other standard abbreviations. Okay, quotation marks. Now there's a difference in the way that quotation marks are used in some languages than it is in the English language. In the English language, as you can see here, the quotation marks always go at the top of the line. And in some languages, such as Russian, the end quotation mark goes on the bottom line. So make sure that any time that you're quoting what somebody said, or you're telling directly what someone said, that you use those quotation marks at the top of the sentence. Hope this has been helpful to you, and hope it helps you to make your writing more clear to your audience. Thank you very much.